Sunday to all our viewers. In today's episode, we'll see the designer collection, or you can say that bridal collection of Mohafiz. So let's begin with our today's episode. So this is our first design in bridal collection. It is a bottle green peplum frock of fabric georgette. And hands with pearl and Zardozi work. It is given with embroidery, a fine thread embroidery of zari thread. And these are the sleeves. These are the only sleeves which are trending nowadays. We have given heavy work on the sleeves also. See the finishing and the beautiful embroidery of this attire. This type of the pearl latkans we have given. At the sleeves round, we have attached pearl here also. This is a peplum frock. Georgette is very fine, of very nice quality. And at the daman of the peplum frock, this type of the pearl latkans we have given all over from the front and from the back, both the sides. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to lighting we are using in the videography. It is a fresh bottle green color. It is a fresh, you can say that kanjali color. The size for this is XL size is this, and the price range for this I will show you, that is of 7,990. You will avail a 10% off on our bridal collection. We have two more colors in same design and same pattern. Let's see one by one. This is a gharara for this. Same bottle green color georgette fabric gharara, and hands with the pearl latkans, stone work all over the gharara, and at the bottom round there will be a pearls. See the flare of the gharara. This type of the flare will be there. Okay, it will give you a more classy and very stylish look. And we have a beautiful dupatta and hands with the same pearl lace. Okay, these are the fine quality of pearls we have given with the dupatta. Now another next color in the same design. This is a maroon color. It is very much pretty, beautiful attire of today's episode. Personally, I like this very much. Same size, same price, same pattern. Okay, we have bottom for that is, this is a bottom gharara with the peplum frock. It's beautiful, and dupatta is, this dupatta will be there. Now we have one more color in same design. It's a brown color. It is a fresh brown color. XL size, same price, that is once more I will tell you that price for this will be 7,990. This is the bottom, Gharara. and the dupatta. Okay, so this is our very unique collection, exclusive from the Muhafiz. Now let's see our next design. This is our massive hit item from the Muhafiz. Bride can wear this on wedding day or even on the reception. This is a peplum frock. The work done on whole design is a stone work, and it is done by hand, means handwork is there. So lot of efforts and lot of time we have given to design this attire. So these are the stylish sleeves, double flared frill sleeves. The fabric is a net and the lining will be of satin, which is provided with the dress only. In sleeves there is no lining. Okay, and the bottom for that will be dhoti pant. Let's see. So this is our dhoti pant. Fine stitching, fine stone handwork, most elegant and most beautiful dress of Muhafiz. The dupatta we have given with this is a net dupatta. The bottom fabric will be satin. It is a soft satin silk, and the dupatta will be of net fabric, enhanced with this stone border, provided with the beautiful latkans. The size for this is L, and the price range will be for this design is 18,000. We will avail a 10% off on this. This is a worth buying product from the Muhafiz. So this was our bridal collection of today's episode. Hope you all are enjoyed today's episode. If you want to buy any product from us, so kindly send us a screenshot of the product which you want to buy from us. All the details we have mentioned in the description box. Stay tuned for our next coming episode. Thank you. Bye bye.